Is your idea of dip some onion soup mix and sour cream? Maybe you've thought of making crab dip but thought it was too hard. Think again. Using canned crab meat and a few fresh ingredients, you can make my deviled crab dip. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. On this channel, we teach you all about celebrating. We share recipes for food, hors d'oeuvres, cocktails, and we share entertaining tips too. Now we try and keep it all very, very simple, especially for those of you out there who say that you just can't cook or entertain, because we know that you really can. So if you like this episode, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and get a new episode every single week. Today, our celebration is a fun little deviled crab dip. What's deviled crab dip? You know, crab dip seems kind of complicated and scary, but it isn't really. So let's get started. I have some ingredients here. We're going to start with the crab. I have here half a pound of crab meat. This is from a can. I got it in the seafood department of my supermarket. Now this is just lump crab meat. You don't have to get the super expensive jumbo lump. This was actually on sale. That's why I splurged for the lump crab meat. But get what you can afford, get what you like. You can use fresh if you have a seafood store or if you live near the shore and you can get fresh crab meat, that's fine. But this is perfectly delicious. This is half a pound right in the bowl. Easy, easy, and fast. Next, mayonnaise, just 3 tablespoons. Right in. Up next, some fresh parsley, just chopped up, 1 tablespoon. Dijon mustard. Love Dijon mustard. So flavorful in depth. 1 tablespoon. See how easy again? Almost like a cocktail. 3, 2, 1. In this case, it's 3, 1, 1. Lemon juice. Freshly squeezed, please. 1 tablespoon. Does it get any easier? Now this little dark sauce here is Worcester sauce, or Worcestershire, however you want to say it. Half a teaspoon, just a little bit. That's going to give it a little more depth, a little bit of spice, the hint of the devil. And I'm going to mix this just a little bit to get it going. Actually, I'm going to switch to my fork. I don't want to obliterate this crab meat. Just want to start mixing it up a little bit. Okay. A little bit of salt and pepper, a tiny pinch at this point because that mayonnaise has salt, the Worcester sauce has salt, but crab will take a lot of it. Some black pepper or mixed pepper, a couple of grinds. Now for the devil part. We're going to use some hot sauce. This is my favorite. Use your favorite. Now here's the best part. You can put in however much you like. You can leave it out, but put in a few bits. I would say start with about 1/2 teaspoon and then build up from there. I'm just going to free pour. And if it's too much, well, the devil made me do it. We're just going to mix this up. Just that fast. Now, you can make this. I recommend making this the night before because you want all these flavors just to marry together. And that's it. Now look how fast that came together. Moments. So I'm going to put some plastic wrap on this. I'm going to pop it in the fridge for a couple hours so it'll all chill and come together and marry together. And then we're going to taste it. Well, it's been a couple of hours. I've taken this out of the fridge. So let's take the cling film off. Take a look. Wonderful. Now, you may think that this is all good right now, and it probably is. Let's give it a little stir, and we'll give it a little taste for seasoning. Because it may have tasted fine when we put it into cool, but now the flavors have married and melded, so they may still need a little adjustment. So I'll just have a quick little taste just for seasoning. This is not the official taste, don't worry. You know, I think I need a little bit more of the devil. Just a tiny bit. Clean fork to stir. All right, now we're going to get this ready to serve. I've got this lovely little platter. I've got some crackers. These are just plain crackers because this is such a strong flavored dip. I didn't want to compete with the crackers. And I have some cucumber slices for those of you out there who are a little carb sensitive or aware. So we're just going to try and carefully, beautifully put this in this little pretty glass bowl. As pretty as we can. And look at that. How beautiful. It's a little pink. You can see the little bits of parsley in it. So I'm going to have, with my wine, the real tasting. Let's get rid of this. Okay, I'm going to have a cucumber. I'm feeling a little healthy tonight. Boy, that was amazing. It's summery. It's light. The hot sauce, a little devil part. There's a little tickle on the back of your palate. Not so much that's blowing your mouth away, but just enough back there to say, hi, I'm here. A little wine to wash it down. Now, as always, guys, we'll have these recipes up on YouTube and on Facebook, just like we always do. And we love hearing from you. Keep sending in those comments and send us the pictures. We always answer everything, every single question. So we will see you again next Tuesday at 7 p.m. because, as always, you're all invited to come on over, come on in, and let's celebrate. Cheers!